and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video I will once again run my own free binary option robot that you also can have completely free. Information below the video. Basically I'm just asking you to use my link, sign up, make a small deposit, whatever you feel for, then send me an email, tell me how much you did deposit, I confirm it, I send you the robot completely for free. Also, if you are from a country like United States, you can't run this robot, no worries. There are another robot you can get from me. Just sign up for the link number 2 and I'll send you another robot that will work for that broker. So also make sure you join my academy. Costs only $16 a month. You just push the member button below and I teach you everything I know about Forex, binary option and robots. So with that, let's start up the robot. just like that. $5,991 in matter of 6 minutes. So, like I said, if you want this robot, information below the video. So with that, have a perfect day.